Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject English.
Good morning, my dear students. The previous class we have seen about noun class. Can you remember that we see the definition and differentiate between the noun phrase and the noun class? Hope you all understood well. In this class, we are going to discuss the book back exercise answer for page number 9 to 11. Can you remember? I already given the homework for that. Test yourself. There are 4 Roman I given. So in this class, we are going to discuss the answer for all the 4 Romans. Okay. Now take your book, page number 9, and check whether you have written the correct answer or not. If you written wrongly, just correct it. Okay. Let's go. Dear students, take page number 9. First Roman, pick out noun class in each sentence. So now I am going to tell the answer. You just check whether you are written correct or wrong. Okay. The first one answer, whatever I can. And second one, that she will fail. Third one, who he is. Fourth one, what had happened. Fifth one, that he is a sportsman. Sixth one, what he says. Seventh one, why you did this. Eighth one, that the clock had stopped working. Ninth one, what I say. 10th one, where I live. 11th one, that it was a hot day. 12th one, who has written this book. 13th one, that she will recover soon. 14th one, that would be a fine day. 15th one, how you are getting on. 16th one, that you stole the watch. 17th one, how you can get out of this mess. And 18th one, that he would come to see me. Take page number 10, second Roman. Pick out the noun class in each sentence. Also mention whether it acts as a subject or an object. The first one, the answer is where she lives is a object. And second one, what it is, object. Third one, whatever is right, object. Fourth one, how old she was, object. Fifth one, that he will come back, subject. Sixth one, what I should do, object. Seventh one, that you should cheat me, subject. Eighth one, how this happened, subject. Ninth one, what we can do about it, object. 10th one, how all this happened, object. 11th one, how she has won the first prize, object. 12th one, where he is living, object. 13th one, what you think about this, object. 14th one, that I shall be there in time, object. 15th one, where Chantan Singh is hiding, subject. 16th one, that he will win the match, subject. 17th one, how the problem solved, object. 18th one, that his father would be angry with him, object. That's all. The third Roman, supply a suitable noun class for each sentence. So it should be your own answer. The answer will vary from student to student. So the own answers will be accepted for the third Roman. Okay, but the correct answer should be okay. You can write a correct suitable noun for the 15 questions. Fourth Roman, the following sentence replace the noun phrase by suitable noun classes. The first one already done in your book. Now I am going to tell the answer from second one onwards. The second one, the answer is he confessed that he was guilty. Third one, I know that he is trustworthy. Fourth one, I predict that the weather will change. Fifth one, his friends hoped that he would succeed. Sixth one, that he would arrive was quite unexpected. Seventh one, he described how the camp was attacked. Eighth one, we expect that the business will improve. Ninth one, the jury believed that the man was guilty. 10th one, no one can guess when he will arrive. 11th one, I do not believe that he gave a true account. 12th one, who can doubt his statement is not true. 13th one, the sailor told us that what the direction of the wind was. 14th one, the reason Why he failed will never be known. 15th one, the place where they would meet was known to the police. So that's all, my dear students. Thank you. We can see you in the next class.